Right, guys, our video for today is about 90 degrees lobster back using the formula. Okay, so the material is 4-inch standard pipe. Okay, the outside diameter is 114.3 and the outside radius is 57. Inside diameter is 102.26. Then the inside radius is 51. The takeoff of the 90 degrees long radius elbow is 4-inch 90 degrees is 152.4 or 152.4. So we've got 90 degrees. If you want to cut 90 degree to fabricate 90 degrees long radius elbow, then the degree of turn is 90 degrees. If you want to fabricate other mitered elbow, the degree or angle of turn is the required angle. For example, is 60 degrees, 45 degrees. So what we are going to do is fabricate a lobster back 90 degrees long radius. Okay. The formula is the degree of cut is equal to the degree of turn divided by 90 divided by number of joint. So number of joint divided by 2. So number of joint, we have 1 joint, 2 joints, 3 joints, and 4 joints. So we got 4 joints. So divided by 2. Right? So using the calculator, it goes this way. We are fabricating 90 degrees. Then divided by number of joints, 4. Then divided by 2 equals 11.5 degrees. There. Okay. So the depth, how to calculate the depth? Right? The formula is tangent of the degree of cut multiplied by the takeoff plus cosine the ordinate angle. Okay, so that's the ordinate angles. Then multiplied by inside radius or internal radius. Okay, then so this is the pre-drawn 90 degrees, the actual size. Okay, so we've got 11.25 degree of cut. So that's the degree of cut. So that is 11.25 degrees. So that's 22.5, 22.5, 22.5, then another 11.25 degrees. Okay. So let's start the calculation. So let's start with the 0. So the depth is tangent degree of cut. So the degree of cut is 11.25 degrees. So 11.25 degrees. Then multiplied by the takeoff, which is 152. Then plus cosine of the ordinate angle. So the ordinate angle that we will be taking is 0. So 0. multiplied by inside radius. Inside radius is 51. Then close equals, that is 40.37. So let's check if we have the 40.37. So we'll set the that's all. So if we look at that, to check that, that is 40.37 or 38, whatever it is. So 40.37. Okay. Then next is 22.5. Ordinate angle of to the ordinate angle of 22.5. So we'll change that to 22.5 equals 39.6. Right, so let's check if you are doing the correct thing. Okay, this is 45, yeah? 22.5, sorry, there. Right? So 39.6. Next is 45 degrees. So we'll change the ordinate degree to 45 equals 37.4. Right, so we'll set that to 37.4. That is going to the 67 point, 45 degrees. There. That's 37 millimeter. So let's go back to the calculation. We'll change that 45 degrees to 67.5 equals 34. Okay, so we'll set that to 34. So 67 goes there. So that's 34 on the ordinate 67 degrees. Next, we'll go to 90 degrees. So it became 30.2. Set that to 30.2, 30 or 30.2. Okay, so it will go to 90 degrees. There. Right? So, next step. Change that 90 to 112.5 degrees. 112.5 degrees equals 26. Okay. So 26.3. Okay, so it will go to 112.5. There. Okay, so 26.3. Next step, 135. 135 degrees equals 23.06. Right. So that is 135 degrees. Goes there. So 23 millimeter. The next 157.5 equals 20.8. We'll set that to 20.8. So there it will go to 157.5. So that is 20.8. Next one is the last ordinate line, which is the 180 equals 20.09. Okay, so it will go there. So exactly 20 millimeter. Okay, so that is the formula of the 90 degrees lobster back long radius elbow. If you want to fabricate 60 degrees, then the formula of angle of cut is, if you want 90 degrees, is 60 divided by number of joint divided by 2. If you want 45 degrees, then you can make use the formula angle of cut is equal to 45 degrees divided by number of joint, then divided by 2 again. So that's the part 1. Part 2 is we will lay out on the pipe itself. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed watching.